Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. uh, Today is a special day. You remember we talked some time ago about this 2008 Kia Rio and the incident with the tree. We got broken light, fender, door. I've replaced the mirror and the head over here. So today I'll grab a friend and we'll be driving an hour away to go to a Pollet yard. I am hoping that they do have the same color, as this is a J1 paint code. It's very rare apparently on these cars, and I can't really find it. So if I find one and that is in good shape, I'm gonna take the hopefully get the two fenders, the door, and maybe a trunk. And once we get all these parts together, we'll be back, and bring it in. All right, we made it in. We already checked in, and basically the car we are looking for is going to be all the way down there. So let's go there and see what we can find. So we're just gonna walk in, show you all the view. So many cars in here. Look at the tire pile. Wow. Alright, still have a little bit more on that corner. Okay, this is the row of cars we're gonna go through to find what we need. Hopefully I can see them from there. Okay, let's get it close and see if anything we can benefit from. Here we are. There's an older Rio. This is where we're gonna start. We got a blue one, red one, I don't know, burnt orange. And what I'm interested to in these two, basically, let's first thing check the color code. Dang it. Looks very similar, but it's not the correct code. Let's take a look at the other one. Same thing. So I don't know, I have a minute to think to see what we're gonna take or not take from these. But you see the sea of cars in here. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna risk it here and get this fender, maybe the door from this car, and the mirror from the other one because it's electric, and swap it out. The headlight here, I thought it's broken at the beginning, but it's like somebody already started the job for me. It's not in the best shape, but I think I could buff it out. We'll see. So we have 3 bolts here, and probably through the door. We will see. We'll start taking it apart and see. Somebody left this on the car, so say thank you to that person, whoever they are. Your tool is gonna be good use. You know what? It's not a good tool. So after a bunch of going in and out to the car and started to take the fender out and getting all loose, and I noticed this. It's rusted out. Not gonna be able to use it. So I don't know. Best case, we'll take the headlight so I don't say I came out for nothing. And maybe call it a day. I don't know. I'll see when I have a decision. I will let you know, guys, and we'll see how that goes. Let's see how many Hyundai Accent at this junkyard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Hyundai Accent, and none of them have a good bumper. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. I'm not gonna get the door. I'm not gonna get the fender. None of these cars. I ended up, there's a couple stuff that's missing that I need in my car, which is this door handle cover, the triangle around the mirror because it's broke when the tree fell off, and I need the headlight. Now this headlight have a crack over here. People trying to take it off before and just yanked on it. Didn't notice this third bolt. So I'll see, I'll talk to them. Maybe if I can get it on discount, I'll take it. Otherwise, not really. It's not a win this time. If you like to see more videos of working on cars and going to different adventures and trying to fix things, please like, share, and subscribe. That will help me to put more videos. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.